The tastiest, high-protein, spicy grilled chicken wraps. Only 350 calories, packed with flavor, and so easy to make. Slice your chicken into strips, add fresh garlic, oregano, paprika, onion powder, chili flakes, salt, pepper, and squeeze your lemons. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Next, cook your chicken on medium heat for 8 minutes till golden brown. For the spicy sauce, you need low-fat yogurt, sriracha, fresh garlic, parsley, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Mix till completely smooth, then get a low-calorie tortilla wrap, add shredded lettuce, the grilled chicken, chopped onion and tomato, plus a generous amount of that spicy sauce, and that's it. The tastiest, high-protein, spicy grilled chicken wraps. The most delicious, high-protein, honey garlic butter chicken mac and cheese. All for 590 calories, packed with flavor, so easy to make, and perfect to meal prep for the week. Slice your chicken into cubes, season with salt, black pepper, chili flakes, garlic and onion powder, paprika, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then cook the chicken on medium heat for 5 minutes each side till golden brown and crispy like this. Then lower the heat, add more butter, garlic, drizzle of honey, and parsley. Give it a good mix till juicy and delicious, then set the chicken aside. Add lots of garlic, cook this for 2 minutes before adding low-fat milk, light cream cheese, and this extra seasoning. Stir till completely smooth, then add low-fat cheddar cheese. Keep stirring on low heat till it thickens, then add your cooked macaroni. Now look how creamy and indulgent that looks. Finally, your high-protein meals are ready to serve. The most delicious, high-protein, honey garlic. The most delicious, high-protein, sticky honey lemon chicken. Only 400 calories and so easy to meal prep. Slice your chicken into cubes, add soy sauce, paprika, garlic powder, and lemon juice. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Next, cook the chicken on medium heat till golden brown. Turn off the heat, add honey, then mix till nice and sticky. Set the chicken aside, add onion and bell pepper. Cook for 5 minutes before adding cooked rice, followed by more soy sauce, honey, and lemon juice. Mix well, then add the chicken back in. Garnish with green onion, then distribute into 4 equal. The most delicious, high-protein